Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and wait till you see what we have in store for you. This field watch is loaded, and on paper, these specs look incredible, but is it? Let's find out. You know the deal. Throw the kids in the backyard, pull up a chair, grab a snack, and let's talk watches.
They call me a god.
Today's featured watch was sent to us by Addiesdive. They asked for a complete, thorough, and balanced review, and that's exactly what they'll get. This is the AD 2048. However, all opinions are my own, and it does not affect the outcome of this review. Okay, let's get it. Here's the tell of the tape. The 2048 measures 39 millimeters diagonally. It's 48 millimeters lug to lug, and only 12 millimeters thick, and that does include the crystal. The lug width is 20 millimeters, and it only weighs 72 grams, which includes the strap. Before we go any further, there are some really good benefits about this watch, and we'll go over those now. You get an automatic mechanical movement, specifically the NH35. You have a date window at the 3 o'clock, and an AR-coated sapphire crystal. Incredible luminosity. Even with everything on this dial being printed, the lume is awesome. This watch is loaded with stainless steel. I'm talking about the case, caseback crown, and the option of stainless steel bracelet. And let's not forget the caseback and crown are screw down, and the 2048 has 200 meters of water resistance. Let's take a close look and get more detailed with our approach, and we're going to start with the case. Notice the side of the case. It appears tall and flat. It has a really nice finish, which is bead blasted, and honestly, it just looks great. I love the bevel that sweeps along the side of the case and it turns down with the lugs. This is a beautiful transition from the sides to the top of the case. From this side view, you can really get a nice look at the aggressiveness of the lug turn down. This is a huge benefit to the watch fit. It literally feels like it drapes down your wrist. Also from this view, you can see it's got a signed crown. This is a nice screw down crown and it functions as expected. It does feel just a little loose, but the operations of setting the time, it simply works perfectly. Now let's move to the top of the case and have a look at the bezel and the crystal. Here you will see the finish at a great vantage point. It looks refined and clean. Now this is a field watch, and this kind of finish will help hide scratches and dings. Staying at the top of the watch, we have a fixed bezel. It's rather tall, but looks really nice and cohesive. The bezel fits tightly to the AR-coated sapphire crystal. There are 3 variants of this dial. Of course, the one that I'm holding here is black, but it's also available in a beautiful white, a cool green, and remember, everything you see on this dial is printed. Here shortly we'll do a lume test, but it is an Addiesdive, and I expect it to be great. Here you can see the 24-hour segment on this dial. So if you follow the 24 just under the 12, you can see the 13, 14, and etc. circling around the dial. There is also a nice and tidy date window at the 3 o'clock that has a simple and clean white framing around it. Just along the outer edges of the dial, we have a minute track which contains within it a seconds track, which to me looks really great. This field watch offers incredible legibility. The black dial surface with the white numerals looks sharp and effective. The hands are an agreeable size and outlined in silver, which elevates the contrast. I also like the red tip at the end of the second hand. This dial gives you a whole lot of information, yet it doesn't appear disjointed or chaotic at all. I also applaud Addiesdive for not placing a Cyclops window above the date wheel. Well done. Let's flip the watch over and have a look at the caseback. As previously mentioned, the caseback is screw down and 316L stainless steel. Here you can see the Addiesdive logo engraved right in the center and some basic specs circling the logo. And now we'll shut the lights and do a lume test. This is an Addiesdive, so there are no surprises here when I say the lume is outstanding. It's extremely bright and long-lasting. The endurance of the Addiesdive lume is pretty amazing, especially with the numerals and indicators that glow are printed on and not applied. The 2048 comes with a beautiful brown leather strap. The leather is soft and refined. You do, however, have the option of getting a nice stainless steel bracelet. All right, we are at that part of the video where we break it all down and see exactly what this watch is all about. So, what is it I like about this watch? I really like the case build and the finishing on this watch. This bead blasting looks incredible. It's hard to find this kind of refinement at this price point. I like the movement in this watch. That NH35 is a workhorse. I really love the specs on this watch, especially at this price point. There are a lot of watches that cost more that do not have AR-coated sapphire crystal, NH35, or excellent lume. And lastly, I like the size of this watch. There's a lot of guys with smaller wrists that can enjoy this watch because it is 39 millimeters and those lugs turn down, which allows it to fit better. So, do we recommend this watch? Oh yeah.
They call me a god.
So we talked about a great watch today. That AD 2048 is amazing. We do have an affiliate link in the description. So if you want to investigate it a little bit more, figure out if it's right for you, just remember, if you do purchase, My Dude Watch does get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. If you enjoyed what you saw today, how about smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel? We really appreciate it. And if you didn't like what you saw today, don't feel bad. 2 out of every 3 people that know me feel the same way as you do. However, please subscribe anyway. We'll do better next time. And I was told that's a wrap. One more time, so we'll go ahead and close it out. But thank you so much for watching. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch. We'll see you next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.
They call me a god.